What is going on, guys? So I have a very exciting video, and I know some of you guys have been waiting for this for a while. We have my 2001 Turbo Bullitt. It has an On3 Gen 1 kit, 7 PSI of boost, very small amount of boost currently, but this is gonna be the first time ripping on it after tuning it, which we just did some third gear pulls with Tony at Tuners Inc. Shout out to Tony, he got this thing tuned, street tuned, remote tuned. We're gonna put it on the dyno pretty soon, turn up the boost and make some more power out of it. But for now, let's go enjoy the turbo sounds and the fun. Probably making somewhere between 360 and 380 wheel horsepower. Just a guess. Could be as much as 400, but I don't really think so. But it does make a lot of cool turbo noises, and I'm super excited. So go check out Tony's page, Tuners Inc. It's down in the description. Slap a like on the page. If you need any tuning help, go ahead and check it out. In the last video, we basically street tuned it. It is all up and running and good. So let's go ahead and get a cold start, and we'll go take it out and rip it a few times. All right, we are running. Up to temp. Oh my god. It's fun. That's my first to second gear. My first to second gear shift, and it got wild. That was awesome. I love it. It's so much fun. Turbos are so different. It's a lot of fun. I really like turbo cars. They're so much fun. This is so different than any other car I've ever had or driven. Because I don't think I've ever driven a turbo V8. So the way the power comes on is just super fun. And of course, the noises. That loud too, which is super funny. A little foot brake. I love it. I love it. Yeah, I think the craziest thing is the car is not that loud. It's got no mufflers besides the turbo, and it's not that loud, but you hear all the turbo sounds. And the exhaust is exiting right out the front, up there. I love it. And it's only on 7 PSI or less right now, which is hilarious, and it's so much fun. I love the sounds. The sounds of a turbo car are just so different. So different. This car makes so much less power than my Cobra, And it is so much fun. I love it. Maybe it's just the sounds, or maybe I just have a hard-on for turbo cars, but I like finally having my own turbo car. You don't even understand. Like, I haven't put very much into this besides time. Me and Nick put some time into this thing. We tuned it, and it's ready to rip. It makes it so giggly, like, because it's so sick. Like, I don't know how much power it's making, but it doesn't really matter because it's so much fun. So one major problem currently is that third gear is currently broken. It does go in, so like if I go like this, let the RPMs fall, and shove it in, it will go right into third. Hit by a rock from some other car, but it's okay. The Bullitt's not perfect yet, so that is so sick. I love it, man. All right, I want to get one more like first gear pull in here. All right, we are recording. Goes in third. It does go in third. It goes in third, which is so cool. I hope all the audio is coming through with the mic, because it makes cool sounds. And it's still not even heat soaked. It's at 56 IAT. I think I want to do another one of those. Give it some cool down time, and then we'll do another first or fourth. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do a dig. Yeah, we'll just do a dig. See what it does. We're on Tial R888s. It went in third. It doesn't like it, but I punched the radio. God, this car is so much fun. You don't need a lot of power to have fun. Ignore my shifting. I'm not used to this car, and that third gear is bad. I might need to demonstrate one more time. This is what happens when you go to third gear. But if you just toss it in, it goes in. Oh man, I'm loving this car so far, man. It is a blast. And I'm beating it up right now, so you guys can comment down below. Andrew's beating it. It's gonna blow it up. How long until it breaks? Honestly, I'm ready to take it to the track now, because I know I can get it in third gear. The only problem is gonna be building boost off the line. But yeah, we might need to do a two-step before then. Fun. I don't know why people don't just turbo their cars. Oh my god. Turbo 2 valve. Putting a smile on my face. Spinning Toyos too, which is pretty crazy. This thing's definitely being put through its stress test. Alright, so there you have it. The Bullitt has survived the very first Andrew stress test, which, as you guys know, I have a known thing for breaking cars. Well, not really. It's really not that bad. Just when we go to the track, I send it. I know Cletus McFarlane has a very similar issue, breaks everything at the track. This thing passed my very first stress test on the street. Now, third gear obviously is already broken, but I am happy to know that it will go in if I force it in. So how long that will last, don't really know. I do plan on replacing the transmission. I just want to get the yellow card done first and then figure it out. Bullitt is a lot of fun. 2-valve turbo kit. I highly suggest you do it. It is a lot of fun. Make sure you slap the like button down below. Leave a comment. Let us know what you think. There's more coming for this. There's more coming for the yellow Cobra. We got axles on the way for this Cobra. They'll be here in a few weeks. So we'll see you guys in the next one.